All I want for Christmas is motorcycle gear. Don't know what to buy or ask? Perfect. We made the ultimate Christmas gift guide for real riders. We are covering 24 gifts across 6 categories, ranging from stocking stuffers to dream machines, with budget options for every wallet. So sit back, watch this video, and send it straight to your Secret Santa. We are starting with the most important category, because if you aren't safe, you can't ride. Number 24, Pinlock earplugs. Hearing loss is permanent, and whine noise is the silent killer of hearing for motorcyclists. These aren't the cheap foam plugs you steal from a factory floor. These are high-fidelity filters. They lower the decibel level of wind noise while still allowing you to hear sirens, horns, and your engine clearly. They come in a cool little canister that clips to your keys so you never lose them. Because saying what? Every time someone speaks to you after a ride gets old fast. They cost just $29 on Amazon. Hearing is saved. Now let's move on to your hands. How do you protect them with sci-fi technology? Number 23, Knox Handroid MK4 gloves. Do they want to look like a robot? Yes. The answer is always yes. These gloves feature a crazy exoskeleton spine system on the fingers that prevents hyperextension in a crash. It uses the BOA lacing system, similar to high-end snowboard boots, to tighten around the wrist with a simple dial turn. It has scapoid protection sliders on the palm to prevent wrist breaks. It looks like it belongs in the year 3000, making it the coolest looking piece of safety gear ever made. You can grab a pair for around $280. We've barely begun. Have you liked this video yet? Have you subscribed to our channel? What are you waiting for? Do that and let's get back to our countdown. Hands are good, but the head is the most critical. What is the gold standard for head protection? Number 22, the Shui Ref 1400 helmet. If the rider in your life is wearing a helmet from 2015, they desperately need this upgrade. The RF 1400 is widely considered the gold standard of full-face street helmets. It is Snell approved, meaning it meets the highest safety standards, but the real magic is in the experience. It is lighter, quieter, and more aerodynamic than almost anything else on the market. The ventilation is incredible. It actually keeps your head cool instead of turning it into a swamp. It feels like wearing a cloud because the wind disappears, leaving just the sound of the engine. It starts at around $580. And finally, the ultimate protection. The technology that inflates faster than a blink to save your life. Number 21, the Alpine Stars Tech Air 5 airbag system. This isn't science fiction, it is science fact. It is a vest you wear under your riding jacket that completely changes the safety equation. It uses sophisticated gyroscopes and accelerometers to detect a crash before you even hit the ground. It inflates in roughly 25 milliseconds, which is faster than you can blink. It protects your shoulders, chest, ribs, and full back, creating a cushion of air that reduces impact force by up to 95% compared to a standard protector. Nobody wants to break a collarbone, and this is the ultimate peace of mind for the rider and their worried spouse. You can pick one up at Revzilla or Cycle Gear for around $700. Safety is done. Now let's talk about comfort. How do you fix a sore wrist on a long highway ride? Category 2, comfort and touring. This category is for the mile munchers, the iron butts. Number 20, the cramp buster. This is a piece of plastic that costs less than lunch, but saves your wrist from agony. It is a simple paddle that wraps around the throttle grip. It allows you to rest the heel of your hand on the paddle to hold the throttle open, rather than having to squeeze the grip constantly. On a long highway drone, it is the poor man's cruise control. It works perfectly and costs only $10 on Amazon. So your wrist is fine, but what about your backside? How do you double your riding time? Number 19, AirHawk R-Spec Seat Cushion. This is known as the butt savior. It uses interconnected air cells that distribute weight evenly across the entire seating area. It mimics the technology used in wheelchair cushions to prevent pressure sores. It literally floats you on a layer of air. It doubles the amount of time you can stay in the saddle and stops the dreaded monkey butt. For $150, it is cheaper than buying a custom seat. You are comfortable, but you are lost. Now you need a way to mount your phone without it looking ugly. Number 18, Peak Design Motorcycle Phone Mount. Forget the old claw-style mounts that are clunky and ugly. This is the future. It uses a combination of rigorous magnets and a mechanical lock called SlimLink. You just slap your phone on the mount and it locks instantly. To remove it, you press a button. It has a built-in vibration dampener to stop your phone's camera from shaking itself to death. This is a common problem with iPhones on bikes. This mount is sleek, fast, and looks like part of the bike, not a plastic growth. It costs $100. Your phone is mounted, but you can't hear the directions. You need to find a way to talk to your friends and hear music. Number 17, Cardo Pack Talk Edge. The days of shouting and hand signals are over. This is the best communicator on the market today. It uses dynamic mesh communication to connect up to 15 riders instantly. If one rider drops out of range, the group stays connected without breaking the chain. It creates a web of communication. Plus, it has JBL speakers that sound like a concert hall inside your helmet. You can listen to music, take calls, and scream at your buddies when they miss a turn. It is magnetic, so it snaps onto the helmet with a satisfying click. It retails for $389. Now that we are comfy, we need to keep the bike running. What is the one thing that makes an old bike look brand new instantly? Category 3, maintenance and tools. These are the gifts for the rider who loves their garage as much as their living room. All of them can be found at major motorcycle accessory retailers and even on Amazon. Now let's get right into it. Number 16, Maxima S C1 High Gloss Coating. Riders call this new bike in a can. It is a spray that restores plastic and vinyl to a showroom shine. It smells absolutely amazing, like cherries. You spray it on, wipe it off, and the bike looks wet and glossy. It also prevents mud from sticking to dirt bikes. It makes an old bike look new in 10 seconds, giving instant gratification for just $12. But looking good doesn't matter if the bike falls apart on the side of the road. What do they need to fix it? Number 15, Cruise Tools Road Tech Toolkit. Factory toolkits are made of cheese. This is the real deal. It is a comprehensive roll-up toolkit specific to their bike. They make kits for BMW, Harley, Japanese bikes, etc. It includes high-quality wrenches, sockets, hex keys, and pliers that won't strip bolts. It gives them the confidence that they can fix a loose mirror or a battery terminal on the side of the road without calling a tow truck. Prices range from $80 to $120, but the best toolkit in the world can't fix a dead battery in the spring. How do you prevent that? Number 14, Noco Genius, One Battery Tender. Batteries die in the winter. It is a fact of life. This stops that. It is a smart charger that doesn't just blast electricity, it monitors the battery health. It can even repair damaged batteries through desulfation. It works on lead acid and lithium batteries. It ensures their bike actually starts in the spring, because there is nothing sadder than the click, click, click of a dead battery on the first nice day of the year. It costs just $30. Now the bike starts, but how do you do serious maintenance like changing tires or lubing the chain? Up next is the gold standard. Number 13, Pitbull Rear Paddock Stand. This is the gold standard. If you see a race paddock, you see Pitbull stands. They are hand-welded in the USA from high-grade steel tubing. It lifts the rear wheel off the ground so you can lube the chain, change the tire, or put on tire warmers. It is so strong you could probably lift a truck with it. It makes maintenance easy and is incredibly stable. It will likely last longer than the motorcycle itself. You can buy one for $190. But now that you have built the bike, let's look at lifestyle. How do you protect your ride from bad luck and road gremlins? Quick pit stop. Stop the video for a second. I need to know, are you a builder or a rider? Would you have the patience for a 2,000-piece Lego set? Tell me in the comments below. Category 4, lifestyle and fun. You can't ride 24/7. Now these are gifts that show the world your obsession even when the helmet is off. Number 12, the Guardian Bell, Gremlin Bell. Superstition? Maybe. Tradition? Absolutely. It is a small metal bell that you zip tie to the lowest part of the frame. Legend says it traps road gremlins inside the bell. The ringing drives them crazy and they fall off the bike. The rule is you cannot buy it for yourself. It must be a gift to work. It shows you care about their safety in a mystical way, and it costs about $15. But what if it's snowing outside and they can't ride? How do they get their fix? Number 11, Ride 5 video game. For the days when it is snowing heavily. This is the most realistic motorcycle racing simulator on the market. It features hundreds of real bikes and real tracks. It is so accurate. It allows them to ride a $40,000 Ducati Super Leggera while sitting in their pajamas. You can grab it on Steam or PlayStation for $60. But eventually they have to go back to work. How do they integrate their passion into their office? Number 10, Quad Lock Desk Mount. They already have the quad lock case on their phone for the bike. Make it useful at home. This is a simple, elegant mount that sticks to a desk or wall. The phone clicks in just like it does on the bike. It integrates their moto life into their office life. It is satisfying to click the phone in and out. It costs $40. But when they commute to work, they need to carry gear. But normal backpacks drag you backward at high speed. There is only one solution. Number 9. Ogio No Drag Mac 5 Backpack. This is the backpack that doesn't flap in the wind. It has a hard, aerodynamic shell that is water-resistant. It sells for $200. The Ogio No Drag Mac 5 Backpack is available from several major motorcycle gear and accessory retailers online, like Revzilla. The next category allows you to own some of these dream machines for the price of a nice dinner. You just have to build them yourself. Share this list with your secret Santa so you will get the right gift. Category 5. Lego motorcycles. Own these icons for the price of dinner. You can just build them yourself. These Lego Technic sets are engineering lessons with working gearboxes. Grab yours at Amazon. Now, let's go. Number 8. Lego Technic Ducati Panigale V4R. This is a smaller, more accessible build, but still packed with features. It was the first Lego Technic motorcycle to feature a gearbox. It has the iconic red fairings and the V4 engine. It is affordable, but still complex enough to be satisfying. It is the perfect entry point into the addiction of Lego motorcycles, and it costs $80. But maybe you want something American? Maybe you want to put the Terminator's bike on your shelf? Well, say hello to the Fat Boy. Number 7. Lego Creator Expert Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. This uses fewer Technic gears and focuses more on creator aesthetics. It captures the curves of the Fat Boy perfectly. It has the solid disc wheels, the teardrop tank, and the Milwaukee 8 engine. When you spin the rear tire, the pistons move. It looks fantastic on a shelf next to a bottle of whiskey. And guess how much? $100. Cheap. But do you prefer Japanese precision? You're in luck because you get to see the dark side of Japan in plastic brick form. Number 6. Lego Technic Yamaha MT-10SP. This is the king of the hyper-naked bikes. It features the liquid-cooled inline-4 engine with moving pistons. It replicates the stripped-down look of the real MT-10 perfectly. It has a working gearbox shift drum so you can see how a motorcycle transmission actually works, and it sells for $239. But maybe you want the biggest one of them all? The one with nearly 2,000 pieces? Yes, 2,000. Number 5. Lego Technic BMW M1000RR. This build is a monster. It is 1:5 scale. That is huge. It has a working 3-speed gearbox, steering, front and rear suspension, and a chain transmission. It has 1,920 pieces. It will take them days to build. It comes with a paddock stand and makes for an incredible centerpiece. The price? It costs $249. What are you asking for Christmas? Did this list help you? Or do you have something better? Share this with us in the comments and save our Christmas. And if you hit the jackpot this year, or want to dream a bit with us a little bit, then the last few presents are golden. Category 6. The Dream Machines. For those with too much money. Do you have too much money and don't know what to do with it? Are you trying to buy someone's love forever? Here are 4 brand new machines for 2025. Number 4. 2025 Honda Gram, the Smile Maker. It has a 124 cubic centimeter engine, making 10 horsepower. It rolls on 12-inch wheels and gets 166 miles per gallon. It has customizable body panels that are easy to swap. You will have more fun on this doing 30 miles per hour than you will on a superbike doing 130. It is the golden retriever of motorcycles because everyone loves a Grom. It costs $3,600. But if we're being honest, maybe a small bike isn't enough. You want a machine that wants to rip your arms off. Number 3. 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke R-Evo, the Beast. It has a 1,350 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, making 190 horsepower and 107 foot-pounds of torque. It is a naked bike that wants to wheelie in every gear, including neutral. Probably. It has anti-wheelie control, which on a KTM is the equivalent of giving a shark anti-bite control. You turn it off immediately. And the price starts at $21,500. Not too bad. Okay, maybe Austrian aggression is too raw for you. Maybe you want something Italian? There's a motorcycle that puts out so much heat it doubles as a furnace, and you'll love it. Number 2. 2025 Ducati Panigale for 4S. Maybe Lego doesn't cut it for you and you want the real deal. The Red Rocket. The new 2025 model has a double-sided swing arm, which is controversial but effective. It features revised aero and makes 216 horsepower. It has electronic suspension that adjusts itself 100 times a second. It puts out so much heat that it essentially doubles as a space heater. Perfect for winter riding. Well, if winter riding involved doing 180 miles per hour. And it starts at $33,000. But if you hate your neighbors, then you want a bike that is essentially a street-legal race car with wings. Trust me, they'll love it or not. This is our number one. Number 1, 2025 BMW M1000RR. This is the I Hate My Neighbors special. It boasts 205 horsepower and hits a top speed of 189 miles per hour. It features carbon fiber winglets that produce 50 pounds of downforce. It is essentially a street-legal world superbike racer. It even comes with M-brake ducts to cool the brakes because obviously you will be braking so hard on your way to Starbucks that you risk overheating the rotors. The price? $38,000. And if you enjoyed this and want more, click this video right here. It is mind-blowing. Go on, click it. I'll see you there. And if this guide saved your Christmas, click that like button and subscribe for more motorcycle content.